In this video, we're reviewing the Boxum Ski and Snowboard boot buckle lever, which we've got right here. So I picked this up so that I could tighten my ski boots really tight when I wanted to. And sometimes that gets a little bit tough with the buckles on here if you're trying to get them tightened down. So this Boxum lever has two different sides on it, one for larger buckles and one for smaller buckles, and you can use this to get more leverage to tighten down those buckles. So I'm just going to show you how this works here. All you do is you slip the Boxum boot lever on, and then that's going to let you tighten this down and get more leverage when you need that, as well as you could use this to then open up or pry open as you needed to open those boots back up. But I really find that it's most beneficial to get these straps tightened down. And what a lot of people don't know about ski boots is that you're really supposed to tighten your boots with these two straps first and then go down to the bottom two straps. And the reason for that is then it places the heel and your ankle further back in the boot where it's supposed to be in the boot. If you tighten from these straps first, it's not pushing your heel all the way back into the back of the boot where you want it to be. So a lot of times you may not have issues tightening these down if you start with these two levers. But the reality is, to get your heel all the way back in the boot, you want to tighten down with these two straps first. And that's the reason having something like this Boxum boot buckle lever is going to make it way easier to get your heel all the way back in and get all the way tightened down in your boots. And then this is nice and compact. I just throw this in my pocket and take it with me skiing, and then I can tighten and loosen my boots as I want. So sometimes it's hard to tighten these buckles, when it gets really cold and the plastic and everything doesn't want to bend as much, but also just weird leverage trying to do it with your hand without gloves. I feel like these boot buckles are a little pointy, and in the cold it just feels terrible versus being able to quickly do it with a lever. All I do is slip it on here and then I tighten this down. So this has become an essential piece of equipment for me to be able to get those boots really tight how I like them when I'm going to go ski. Now, overall, this seems to be really high quality. You've got a little strap here, so I just, at the end of the day, put my strap through there so that I never lose this. And then it doesn't seem like there's anything that's going to break on this. It's made of a really high quality plastic, and if you feel it, it's super durable. You could put a ton of leverage on this and a ton of force, and it seems like it's going to hold up for a long time. So thanks for watching this review of the Boxum Ski and Snowboard boot lever or buckle lever. We'll see you next time.